Sup guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your hypersonic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So you see, this is the same situation that we are having here. The contents are not installed, so the Cubase is refusing to load for us. It says what? Dispatcher what and blah blah blah. So you see, this is a browser. They say we should browse our hypersonic folder, or our content folder. Now, in case you have something like that, like your hypersonic content is not being found, this is how you are going to fix it. You will go to your storage, where you have your hypersonic software or VST software being installed, or you have it saved. To me, I have it somewhere here. This is my hypersonic 2. So what you are going to do is to open the folder like this. There's a power I should file. Yeah. So you open it like this, and now you copy this hypersonic 2 content folder and you place it at where you located your VST plugins for the Cubase or your FL. So now let's locate that area. We come here like this, Stenberg. You see, we have our hypersonic software here. So you can see we have the hypersonic here. We have it here. Then now we copy the content like this. You drag it and you paste it like this. Then you click on continue. So once it's done like this, you can close that folder. Then you close this once. Then you come back to your Cubase like this. You can even close this one. Then you remove the hypersonic. Now what you are going to do is to go back to the studio like this, where it says studio. Then you come to VST plugins manager like this. Then now you click here, you come here, you click on add. Then you locate the folder. You can see we have the hypersonic content folder here. You can see it. I can select the entire VST plugin folder like this, and it is also going to work for me like this. For example, like this, you select it, then you click select folder, then you scan. Good. So after it's being scanned like this, go. So now let's locate the folder. You come here to see plugin files or what blah blah blah. You come to Stenberg, VST plugins, hypersonic 2 content. Then you click OK.